Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Ultra Solution. In this session, I am going to discuss the optical ERP with insurance, but I am going to discuss this flow by considering two use cases. One case that customer which has insurance and second the customer without the insurance. But for this step, you have to do the different step. Step number 1, create the class. Step number 2, create the insurance. Step number 3, create the contact. And the step number 4, you have to purchase any product. I'm going to discuss the all the step one by one. But for that, first of all, click on the contacts to create the class and the insurance. Click on the configuration and click on the class to enter into the class. Here different classes like A, B, C and D are there. So there is no need to create the another classes. Just click on this class A, click on the edit. Just you have to provide the name of that class. You have to provide the how much deduction you want to apply on real. Another class is class number B. Here that deduction is 10%. Class C deduction is 50% and class D that deduction is 30%. In this way, you can create any classes as per your requirement and click on the save to save that class. Now again, click on the configuration and click on the insurance to create the insurance. Click on the create. You have to provide the policy number. Here I am giving that policy number like this. It's only for the demo purpose. You have to provide that insurance date also, that expiry date also. You have to mention which class it has and you have to also provide the coverage limit. Now click on this save to save that insurance detail. Now that's step number 1, that how to create the class, and step number 2, that how to create the insurance is completed. Now third step, how to create the context. For that, click on the context, click on the create to create that content. Here that content, first of all I am considering the content with the insurance. You have to provide the name of that content. Here I am considering my name itself. You have to provide the name, then you have to provide the address, date of birth. You also to provide the phone number, that date of birth. I'm considering that date of birth as February 9 February 1994. You have to mention that mobile number also, email address, ID. Here you again have to mention the date of birth. Wait a moment. It's a 1994. It's a February, and you have to mention the date also. Now here different tabs are there, but here you can see the different tab insurance there. You have to select that insurance number. I'm selecting that insurance number. Now click on the save to save this content. Means first of all I have created one content which has insurance. Now I am going to create the another content which has no any insurance. For that again click on the create. You have to provide the name of that particular. I'm giving that name David Group. You have to, I'm going to create it. Now you have to mention the date of birth also. For that, wait a moment. I'm considering you have to provide the phone number, mobile number, email address. Again, you have to mention the date of birth. For that, just give me 1 minute. It's February. Saving. Now, this is the contact without the insurance, so there is no need to mention the any insurance detail for that. Now, that step number 3, that how to create the context is created. Now, click on the point of sale to enter into the point of sale and click on the resume. Now I'm going to discuss the flow of how to purchase that item and how that insurance applied on that purchase. So I'm going to select the customer. I am considering that customer first of all, Inkisha, site customer, and she's going to purchase the item. But for that, you have to select that lot and serial number. I'm going to increase its quantity. I want to purchase the 369 quantity. Now I'm going to add the insurance. Here you can see that already 50% discount is there. Click on the payment to provide the payment. Here three options are there: cash, bank and remaining amount to pay. I'm going to use this cash, going to validate it. Now that receipt is already generated, you can print it or cancel it. Here the option for the email is also there. You can send that email receipt to particular on email ID. Now I'm going to order the next thing. For that I'm selecting the one customer which has no any insurance. I'm considering that David group. Now click on this site customer, going to buy this product, but for that it's necessary to add the serial number. Now when I'm clicking on the add insurance discount, you can see that no any discount is given to that particular product. Click on the payment, click on the cash and click on the validate to validate that payment. Now you can print this receipt or you can cancel it. Now, if you want to mail that receipt to particular one, then you can click on the send to send that email. Now here you can send, you can get the notification of email sent and click on the close to close that session. In short, in this flow, you can get the every information regarding optical ERP with insurance. Thank you. Thank you so much.